Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Chevrolet Spark wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades. You'll typically need a 24-inch blade for the driver's side and a 15-inch blade for the passenger's side. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Now, find the small release tab or button where the old blade connects to the arm. With the release tab pressed, carefully slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. It should detach easily. Be very careful to hold the metal wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. Take a moment to inspect the arm for any signs of wear or bending. Now, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the arm's hook. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly seated and won't come loose. Once you're sure it's secure, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Chevrolet Spark. Once both new blades are installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your car and use the windshield washer fluid to activate the wipers. Watch to ensure they clear the windshield smoothly and effectively without streaking or making excessive noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.